Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this today's video, we are going to crack the first task of the e-learning portal of inetsecurity.net.in. Before we dive into the task, we are going to gather some basic information about this task. So here we have a password box and a submit button. We don't have anything else, like we don't have any tips or information regarding to this particular task. But we were asked to find the key to confirm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a random input and I'm going to check, like we have an error message and it says like sorry, try again. And that means that there is validation behind this page and it is giving me an output that the password we have provided is wrong. And also we have another information, that total attempts, which is not at all useful for this task. And I'm going to do the next step, which is going to be the information gathering from the source code. So I'm going to open the source code of this page and I'm going to gather as much as information I want. To do that, we have two options. One is to right click the page and click the source code button, view source button. But here we have a source button for this specifically. So I'm going to click the button. Now we have the source code. But we are not going to read the entire source code, but we are going to directly get into the source of the form, which is going to be this form. And in that source code, I'm going to find the form. So here we have the form code, and in this form code we don't have much information. For example, we don't have any action, and we can make sure that the input we are giving is not been sent to any other page, and the method they are using is post. This task is provided so that we can learn that sometimes the developer or the coder might have mistakenly let some valuable or confidential information in the comment section. So before we go through all the source code, we have to give importance to the comments section too. So we are going to check for the comments, and above the form code we are having a comment, and that was mistakenly left by the programmer, and the password is a gibberish text. And I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here to check whether it is working or not. And I'm going to click the submit button, and it says you have completed this task. So we have completed this task. See you in the next task.